Have you had the same haircut and hairstyle for the last 25 years, 45 years, 1 year, and you're just like, I don't know when I should change it. Should I change my hairstyle? What should I do? So here's my opinion as a professional. If you have really, really, really great hair, okay, here's a perfect example, nice head of hair, you can do anything with it. It's, got a lot of texture to it. Another example would be something like this, okay? You really have just tons of volume, amazing hair. You can really work the shape in. You have the flow going on. You're a very, very lucky person. And this is for male or female, really. When should you change your hairstyle? Should you change your hairstyle? Well, it's as simple as if you start to feel like you need a change, okay? It's like you're tired of the job you have. You're tired of wearing the same shirt all the time. You're tired of whatever it is. It's the same thing when it comes to your hair, your appearance. If you see something that you like, and you're just like, man, I wish I could have that hairstyle. Chances are you probably can. You just have to factor in, obviously, your hair type. What is your commitment level to getting haircuts? Maintenance-wise, is this something that really is gonna make you feel better as a person? Is this going to be accepted, say, at your job? All these questions you have to ask yourself. But really what it comes down to is you. And don't worry about what other people say. Just worry about you feeling better about yourself. That's what it really comes down to. So if you have the opportunity for an awesome change and you think that, you know what, people have been saying, oh, change your hair up, or you go to somebody and they say to you, man, if I cut your hair, you're going to look like at least 15 years younger, or this style is so really outdated. It's time that you really step up your game and let's try something a bit more modern. It's going to make you look, younger, a bit more youthful. It's still very professional. Go to somebody who can suggest things to you that will, in fact, make you look better and keep your hair a little more modern, because your hairstyle could be outdated. Now, that's not to say, if you've had the same hairstyle for the past 96 years and you love your hairstyle, you don't care about your hair, you're happy with how you look, then please go on with your life and be happy. But if you're constantly looking in the mirror, constantly nagging, looking up YouTube videos all the time, saving photos, I wish I could have, just do it. Whatever makes you happy. Consult with a professional that can really give you the right, direction, who can execute the haircut properly. And just remember, you live life once, enjoy it, feel good about yourself, and get a new haircut. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.